pulses are still intact. Her muscle weakness is her biggest deficit neurologically. Breathe with your left ear. There it is.
Oh my gosh.
Yep. That's the most common reaction we have. You probably saw Shekinah glory there, didn't you? Yeah, yeah. I see Jesus every day when I do this. There you go. Let me do it, hon. That's it.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, ma'am. That's a real adjustment.
I'm gonna put my arms.
Yeah, you're right here, huh?
Okay.
There you go. Okay, lay your head back. Good. Yep. Keep your teeth together though. Breathe through your nose. Just like that.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I already felt relief.
Good.
Oh.
Okay, tilt right with your left ear. There you go.
Oh.
That's better. There you go. All right. Yes, ma'am. You are letting go better. Look at you. All right, there we go. Now, okay, just breathe through your nose. I want you to wiggle your left big toe. Just like that. That wasn't as bad
No,
though.
it wasn't.
Okay, let me have your neck. Just like that. Tilt right. Just like that. Boom. Okay, deep breath. Wiggle your right big toe. There it is, right there. I didn't hear him screaming. Okay, you gotta let me have this. There. See, it works better when I do it. There you go. There we go.
That is very nice.
Well, that's it. Here, one more. There you go. Got you on that one.
Oh God.
Feel a little taller now?
Jeez.
Yeah. Okay. Tilt your right ear to your right shoulder with your left big ear. There you go. Better. Better. Now left ear to left shoulder with your right big toe. Much better.
Wow.
That was what I wanted. There we go. Now, have a deep breath through your nose. Oh boy, that was a home run. Okay, left. Now let me have you. Your nose, I'll get the rest here. Wiggle your left ear. There you go. Whoa boy. Let me have your neck on this one. Perfect. Drop it in my hand. Just like that. Okay. Now, I want you just to breathe through your nose. I want you to wiggle your right ear. There you go. Okay, now wiggle your left ear. There you go. No, I said ear, not toes.
I know, but I gotta cheat.
Okay, wiggle your right finger. There you go. I haven't done anything yet.
No, I mean the way I'm laying.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
very
this feels good, doesn't it?
Where should my hands be?
Right here. And just breathe through your nose. Don't bite your tongue. See there? My hands. See, I put more of a P to A thrust into this as opposed to a rotary thrust. So I'm wrapping the towel around his cervical spine, but I'm not choking him. My contact comes at the base of the occiput with this wet towel, just like that. All right, wiggle your right big toe. There you go. Tilt right, wiggle your left ear. That's it. Perfect. Curriculum, and there you go. Perfect. You didn't even scream. Tilt left a little. There it is. Tilt right. That's it.
That was the one.
A lot of my modifications on it. There we go. Okay, nice deep breath through your nose. Just like that. You should have felt that go all the way down.
Keep breathing.
Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. Oh, you're still kicking, right? All right. Let me have this here, Brandy. Yes, ma'am. Tilt right. Yes, ma'am. Doesn't get any better now.
Wait, you gonna do her feet?
I'm gonna do it real easy for you, okay? Just breathe through your nose with your right big toe. That a girl?
Okay.
See, that was easy, wasn't it? Not
Nearly as painful as before.
Well, you had a whole different scenario going on before. Okay. Tilt right a little. There you go, boy. Crack still gonna love you. Cerebellum analyzes that information and then efferently sends messages to the body. Relax and breathe. Just like that. That was the home run. And look at there, you're still kicking. Oh, yeah. Okay, tilt left. There it is. That's it. Okay, Bing. There it is. See, that was still a home run.
A medical doctor and
Well, I've done this to medical doctors.
but
Yeah, well, I didn't do it overnight either. It took me like 6 months to change my sleeping pattern. I had to build a fort around me with big pillows. Could just breathe. There you go.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am. You should have felt that all the way down. Oh boy. Okay, just breathe through your nose. Keep your teeth together. Yes, ma'am. I got you. Atta girl. Good job.
No.
My husband, he,
Oh, that's right. your
he
husband
watches Jeff
referred.
quite a bit.
Yeah. There you go, boy. That was one for the ages. Okay, let me have you here. Oh yeah. Crack X be loving you. Okay. There you go, boy. Get better. Okay. Yes, sir. Crack X gonna love you. You can check function before and after the adjustment. Just breathe through your nose with your left big toe. Yes, ma'am. So not only should you be able to see the difference in the mirror. Okay. Just breathe through your nose. Keep your teeth together. Oh yeah.
oh my
Yep. That's a, oh my God. Wow adjustment. Okay, let me have your neck with your right big toe. There.
Oh my
Okay.
gosh.
I got you, honey. Let it go. Atta girl. Good job. Now, just breathe through your nose. And with your left big toe. Just like that. Oh, yes, ma'am. Okay, let me have you, honey. There you go. See, you thought. Yes, ma'am. Surgical opinions from licensed, competent, reputable surgeons. Okay, breathe through your nose, Muhammad, with your left ear. There you go, just like that. And you felt that, right, Muhammad?
Yes, I did.
Mm-hmm. Tilt right. There you go. St. Lucie, Florida. And, oh. But I'd like to, there you go, good. Keep your teeth together on this one. And just breathe through your nose, relax your hands there. Just like that. I know you felt that one all the way down, didn't you? Yep. We get them all. Okay, relax this for me. Let me have you tilt left a little. There you go. Still got another one. Looky there. Perfect. Okay. Yes, sir.
Oh, man.
People just love. It says something about better than Bennett and something.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Alright. Let me tilt you left. Just like that. Oh yeah. Okay, on this one now, you just want to keep your teeth together. Make sure you don't bite your tongue. Breathe through your nose with your left big toe. Atta girl. Yeah, boy. Crack X definitely gonna love you. Well, that's a lot better reaction than crying. I got you. Tilt your left ear to your left shoulder. Look at you.
Oh boy.
Tilt your right ear to your right shoulder. Atta girl. Keep your teeth together for me, Matt. Keep breathing. There you go. That wasn't so bad. Yeah. Drop your head in my hand. Perfect.
oh shoot.
Now tilt your head to your right shoulder.
Oh.
Boy, doesn't get any better than that. Yeah, boy. Yeah. There we go. I got you. Okay. Yes, sir. Just breathe through your nose normal.
No!
Yes, sir. Felt that one all the way down, didn't you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, drop your head in my hand. There you go. This is a Palmer Diversified Master Rotary Brake. There you go. Yes, sir. There we go. Pulled my stomach down like I do. I took a special interest in that. There we go. Yes, sir, Bob. Okay, now I'm getting this around your occiput. Just like that. Yes, ma'am. Home run. Okay. And no, I don't do that because I'm afraid I'm paralyzing the patient. You just do that for, now take a deep breath through your nose. Yes, sir. Home run. Okay, I got you. There you go. Yes, sir. No. Now. Get this under your chin. Just breathe through your nose. That girl.
Oh my god.
Uh-huh.
You didn't tell me to wiggle my toes.
I know. I didn't have to. You were easy. I didn't have to. Okay, now tilt your left ear to your left shoulder with your right big ear. Okay. There you go. Better. Yes, sir.
Wow. Oh my
You should
God.
have felt that all the way down.
Amazing.
But he had diminished reflex on the left patellar before the adjustment. Now he does not. Yes, sir.